This is Arnon Roseanne. I'm President and CEO of Garrison Flood Control. And today, I'm in front of one of our test tanks at our Pompano manufacturing facility to show you how we test the MAKO Inflatable Flood Barrier. I'm also going to teach you how to inflate it properly in an opening to make sure you get the best seal possible. So right now what we're doing is we've inserted the MAKO. We added only a few PSI to the top chamber because what we want to do is enable it to sort of fit in this opening but not pressurize in yet, because the most important thing you can do with MAKO is make sure that you leave slack on the lower chamber, because what we want to do is when that chamber inflates after the top is inflated, it's going to pressure against the top chamber and create a great seal. See, we're pressuring into that opening, feeling pretty good about the fit. Okay, so as you can see, we've inflated our top chamber to 12 PSI. It is now solidly in this opening, gripping. This is a simulation of the typical sill you'd have behind the barrier when you're installing it on a door. We're going to disconnect that now. You notice it's under pressure, and we're going to just put this cap on just to help protect the valve as we begin to fill the lower chamber. So what we're going to do, we're going to go get this into the lower chamber here. We're going to attach it, make sure to clear the, and we're going to start to inflate this now so that it pressurizes and fills these gaps over here on either side of the opening. As you can see, I'm pressuring down in the corner because the corner is the most important area that you want to have filled. If you look, we've got water filled up here to the height of a pretty high storm surge. As you can see, the MAKO is holding this water back extremely well, and there's only minimal drops of leakage that's occurring. So you can see this is providing pretty substantial protection against pretty substantial floodwaters behind. Now at Garrison, we test all of our products, and we want to make sure that they're engineered to handle the flood loads that you can expect in your area. MAKO is such a product. Make sure when you're looking at any products that you've seen and confirm the testing.